What's up guys, Jarek from Distro here. Today I'm going to be turning this Epic Smiley into wall decor, and at the end of the video I'll add it to our catalog, and then you can actually sell this Epic Smiley in your Shopify store or your TikTok shop. So let's get started. Okay, so the thing about this emoji is I actually think about this all the time, and I'm in Slack or I'm sending, texts to my friends and stuff, and I just want it to be like in the main section of emojis because it's such a great one. It's my favorite one. So I thought it's a pretty basic shape. I had a bunch of emojis that I was testing to see what we could make for wall decor, and honestly I think this is the best one that we could do, and I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and make it. So let's get started. So let's just start by, it's a circle, super easy. Just gonna trace this thing. Well, I think it looks okay. The weird thing is, I don't know how it's going to look in wood, so let's just give this a shot. I mean, I almost wonder, tongue looks weird. I almost wonder if you just remove the tongue, 'cause at least you get the contrast. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like without this. I think it's gonna look way better. I mean, at least it's a smiling face. I mean, the tongue isn't there per se, but... Okay, so we'll go without the tongue. Alright, let's put this on some wall decor. Let's see what we can get for a background. Let's do like, let's see what ChatGPT gives us. I almost guarantee there's gonna be like a canvas on the wall. Yep. Whoa, that is way too fun. Tone down the fun. Oh man. I love how ChatGPT thinks the teenager's room is rock and roll. Oh man. Alright, we're just gonna use one of these. Alright, and there it is. The Epic Smiley. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to our product catalog, where you can then sell it in your Shopify or TikTok shops. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.